How to remove Meta AI from Facebook. So if you want to remove Meta AI from your Facebook, then first what you need to do is you just need to uninstall the application, because without uninstalling you don't have any other option. So simply go for uninstall, tap and hold on to that Facebook, and then tap on delete and uninstall your current Facebook application. Once you've uninstalled, now you need to go for your browser, or you can go with Google, anything that you're comfortable with. And here on the search, you need to search for Facebook APK download, and here you will have websites that will allow you to download the Facebook application. So you should not go with Play Store, because Play Store will have the updated version, and we don't want the new version, we want the older version, right? So simply choose any one of your websites, and here you can simply go for older versions option, tap on older versions, and you need to choose a version in which you don't have the Meta AI option. You can simply choose any one of the version, and then you need to scroll down and tap on download, and your app will be downloaded. So that's how you can download the older version, and that's how you can remove the Meta AI from your Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.